guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to cook a vegan meal. I'm deciding to do black bean burgers with sweet potato fries. I'm kind of winging it with this one, so I'm gonna put my own seasonings, put my own things inside my black bean burger, and just figure it out as I go, because that's the best way to learn in my opinion. First thing I did was I chopped up an onion, some onion pieces, and I chopped up some mushroom. And I'm just going to then blend some of these rolled oats to make a flour and to like hold it together. Okay, so I'm gonna put some oats in my mixture, and I'm gonna blend it only just a little bit, not too much. Go.
Rolled oats that are blended.
Woo-woo. So the spices I'm gonna use for today are Adobo, salt, black pepper, and some garlic granules, so like garlic powder basically. And by request of my roommate Mel, I think I'm going to put some cumin and some
chili powder.
Also
paprika while you're at it.
So we're gonna get fancy today with this.
Yep.
So I'm putting in a little bit of salt, just a pinch, not too much. Because the adobo has like already like some salty seasoning in it, so don't wanna make it too salty. I love black pepper. My roommates know like I'm known for just putting so much pepper on everything. I just love it. I am the pepper. I'm the pepper princess.
That should be your YouTube channel name.
Oh my god. So here is the chili powder that we use, the cumin, and the paprika.
Ooh, yeah, they're ready.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we're just gonna get to mashing.
Get to mashing.
Once I'm done with the mixture for the black beans, I'm going to start seasoning my sweet potatoes. And I don't know, should I make them on the pan, or should I make them like in the pan and saute them, or should I bake them?
Bake. Okay, we're gonna try the mixture now.
Spicy. Ooh, I love that.
Great.
Oh.
It's so good.
No way, it's really good.
Oh, I think it's so good. I'm pumped. Who is she? So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update on my first couple of days as a vegan. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's been really, really hard. Like yesterday especially was probably the hardest day I've had, because I had a full day of work and I had to bring lunch and it wasn't enough. So I work at Forever 21 in the International Mall, and you know malls, they have food courts with a bunch of food, and all of them have meat and cheese and amazing goodness. Like it has Chick-fil-A, and Chick-fil-A is like my weakness. So yesterday I was in my break room and I kept sitting there thinking like I could easily go upstairs and go get a chicken sandwich. I could do it, it'd be no problem. Mel would never know. But
I would never know.
But I kept saying to myself like, no Gabby, you're gonna do this, you can do this.
Like, do it right.
I'm gonna do this right, I'm gonna do it full through, and I'm not gonna cheat at all. And like keeping yourself grounded I think is the best way to do it, because like otherwise you're gonna fail. If you can't tempt yourself, you just gotta try your best to not tempt yourself, which is the hardest part, especially with being a college student. So now I'm going to start seasoning my sweet potato fries, and Mel had the great idea of having me use coconut oil instead of olive oil or butter or anything like that. So let's do this. I kind of, like I said before, like with my mixture for my black beans, I just wing it when it comes to any kind of seasoning. Like my family's Jamaican, and so on the house my mom wouldn't ever measure anything. She would just throw some spices in there and it would just end up good. And that's just how I learned how to cook all my life. So it's been working for the most part. So I'm just gonna add like a little dollop of coconut oil. Oh, I'm gonna use the same seasonings that I used in my mixture, except maybe instead of the garlic, I just won't put any garlic in it instead. So first we're gonna start with some paprika. Next we're gonna use some chili pepper, a dash of pepper, and some salt. And so now I'm gonna mix my mixture together. So I'm gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees and let them bake. So now I'm gonna start making my black bean mixture into patties. And it's pretty simple. You just grab a clump and then make them into a burger shape. So I want mine to be like, because I'm using an English muffin as my bun, so I don't want them to be too big. This might actually be perfect. And I like mine a little bit flatter, so like this is like the size that I usually like mine, but I mean obviously you can do whatever you want with it. This is your burger. So if you want them huge, make them huge. Oh my God. I hate
Fail.
She's beautiful.
She's so beautiful. That looks good, Gabby.
Yes, and now I'm going to try my creation for the first time.
Alright, the moment of truth.
Just cross your fingers, people. I want some avocado on here too. My goodness.
What do you think?
It's good.
I'm excited. Let's see. I know I'm gonna like it. Gabby.
Good?
Non-vegan approved. Really good. So now, just gonna enjoy this vegan meal.
Cassie,
Ooh.
try the fries.
Okay.
Try this right now.
What the heck?
It's so good,
I
right?
can't cook this well. That is good. Total success.
It was a complete success. And this is what happens when you don't follow recipes and you just kind of do it yourself and wing it. I'm pretty proud of this, I'm not gonna lie. I highly recommend this. In the description down below or whatever, I will put everything that I put in it and do my step-by-step process. So if you guys want, you can recreate it at home. Thank you guys so much for watching a Cooking with Gabby episode. There should hopefully be more to come, especially on this vegan journey of mine. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.